Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I made two videos. The second one's a little bit better, so if you haven't watched those, you might want to watch them. But I would have cut this out today, but I didn't have a dowel that I wanted to use. It was over 2 feet long. And some people just don't listen. A friend of mine cut it out in Kansas, and it came out perfectly. It's 96 pieces. I think it looks great. He did a little more detailed on it and changed it up a little bit and give it a little, and we've been texting back and forth on what he's going to do on the base, because he said it's pretty heavy. So I even suggested cutting out like a snowflake and doubling up with the MDF. And anyway, after I get all the bugs out, well, I don't need to share the file, because you can, in that video, you can very easily draw this. Anyway, so have fun, and I hope everything works out, and thank you for listening.